In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate product in Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to the Products section. This is where all of your store's items are listed, and it's the central place to manage product details, images, pricing, and availability. Once you're on the Products page, scan the list and click the name of the product you want to duplicate. Clicking the product name opens the full product editor, and that's where you'll create your copy. When the product editor loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you'll find the Duplicate button. Clicking Duplicate initiates the process that creates a copy of the product you're viewing. Shopify will prepare a new product page pre-filled with the information from the original, which saves time and keeps consistency across similar items. A new page will appear with the copied product. This is your opportunity to make any necessary changes before the duplicate is saved. Start with the title. Give the duplicate a new name that clearly differentiates it from the original. A distinct title helps prevent confusion in your catalog and makes it easier to manage inventory, promotions, or seasonal variations. Next, review the product details that were copied over. Shopify typically gives you options about which elements to carry through, such as images, descriptions, pricing, and variants. Decide whether you want to keep the original images or swap them out for new ones. If the product has multiple variants, confirm that those have replicated correctly and edit variant-specific information if needed. Adjust the status to control where this new product appears. You can set it as draft if you want to refine details later, active to publish it immediately to your store, or unlisted if you want it available privately or for testing. Choosing the right status lets you control visibility while you make final edits. Finally, save your changes to complete the duplication. Depending on the interface you see, click Duplicate Product or Save to finalize the process. Once saved, the new product will be added to your catalog according to the status you selected, either sitting as a draft for further edits or published live in your store. A quick tip: double-check key fields like SKU, inventory, and pricing when editing a duplicate to avoid accidental conflicts with the original product. With these steps, duplicating a product in Shopify is a fast and reliable way to build out your catalog while keeping details consistent and manageable.